Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a tricky problem that many web developers may encounter at some point. Picture this. You're trying to inspect a bug on a website, but despite having the same Microsoft Edge version as your client, you just can't seem to reproduce the issue. Frustrating, right? The problem lies in the fact that when you open developer tools, the website becomes unresponsive, no clicking, dragging, or scrolling allowed. Even stranger, no logs or network activity show up in the console. You ask the client about any restrictions, but they swear there are none in place. So, what's the deal with these mysterious website gremlins causing havoc on your client's machine? Let's find out. In comes the solution to our web dev mystery. It turns out the website was running in Internet Explorer mode, which severely limits the functionality of Microsoft Edge's developer tools. To properly inspect the site, you have to run %systemroot%/system 32/F12/IEChooser.exe and select the tab website you want to investigate. Talk about a wild ride dealing with the quirks of Microsoft Edge and Internet Explorer. Am I right? To wrap things up, the key to solving this website conundrum is understanding the strange behavior caused by running a site in Internet Explorer mode. By launching %systemroot%/system 32/F12/IEChooser.exe, you can regain full functionality in developer tools and finally get to the bottom of those pesky bugs. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!